of friggin' construction going on over here. Playing friggin' tractor big time, but they left me no choice, boys. They left me no friggin' choice. You can't even saunt it. You can't even saunt it, boys. We made her to the scrapyard though, so that's good. That's one point. Think of meat cigarette. Look at this guy. Oh, what a freaking sweet rig. Yeah, it's supposed to start friggin' job Monday. Oh, and then I just heard on the radio that it's a friggin' holiday. So nothing, you know, the place where we got to dump and pick up stone and stuff, it's not going to be open. So that's friggin' sweet. Oh look, a Mustang, exactly where it belongs, eh? Got a brand new fender on it too, so somebody friggin' thought about it for a minute. We're at 0. What does this unit weigh, boys? 20,100. 20,140. 20,120. 40. She locked in at 40, boys. Nice. So it's not too bad. We got her registered for 11,000 kilograms, so that's like 24,000 pounds or something, and then you're allowed 4,500 kilograms behind you or something. So I don't think we got 4,500 kilograms, you know, with the trailer and load, and the whole spiel ain't 11,000 kilograms. So I think we're legal, boys. I'm not gonna lie. We got safety on the trailer, we got safety on the truck. Oh, buddy's pulling some parts. Hey, parts. Got a stack of them here, boys. Oh my god, look at the debris coming out of that. Look at their friggin' shred pile, boys. Oh, friggin' radiators and coppers and aluminoids and all type of stuff. Friggin' sweet. Okay, hold on a minute. Let's see what we got. Oh, yeah, look at this. £14,000. 13,988. 13,988. Scores. Oh, that was fucking totally dicked. Guy starts giving me a hard time. Never in a million years did I think this place would give me a hard time. Now they're starting to give me a hard time. So not many scrapyards left. I don't want to go to London because London's just a nightmare to friggin' go to. So everybody there's a goof. And yeah, the place in Lobo there, when I first got this trailer, they like punched the forks through the deck of my trailer, and I was like, whoa. And buddy's like, oh, fuck this, that. They drove off with the loader and got all pissed off at me and just left me there with my cars on the trailer, and I had to fucking get another guy to fucking unload me, but so I quit that asshole. So I don't know. I thought Thomas was all right, but yeah, they need a new guy working the counter. Like, where's the old guy? He was all right, but this new guy, he's just a fucking goof. So yeah, wow, that was pretty cool. Fucking idiot, just a smug sucker too. You know what I mean? Look at this guy driving a 3-wheeler down the road. Oh, hey.